Hi everyone. I thought of making a quick update video on the growth of the plants that I've planted recently. That was on 19th of March and today is 13th of April, so it's almost about 21 days. Quite big progress, but the weather's not been on our side. It's been really windy and quite cold. So I was not hoping to see any results yet, but amazing stuff. We got some good results so far. Minimum effort, but yep, it's a pleasure to see. I'm gonna share it with you now. So we look. That's what we got so far. So all the lettuce are coming up nicely. That's round cabbage. And I got the radish, so everything's coming up so nice. They've grown quite a bit actually. See, all I've been doing is just watering them regularly every morning. Just check the water content of the soil. Just if it's too dry, then I'll just water it a bit. Don't try to water it too much here because we do get quite a bit of rainfall. Aubergine's still not out yet. I think it's gonna take about another week or so. I had a small issue here. I've been getting these green flies, tiny wee green flies which eats the leaves. I've checked every morning and take them away so that the plants will grow nice and healthy. Beans and gherkins yet to come, and look at that. That's the potatoes we put. They're coming out nicely. So and I managed to put some carrots as well in the bag itself. It's quite deep, so I hope it's gonna be enough. That I planted 2 days back, so I think that's gonna take about another 2 weeks for the carrots to germinate, and then yeah, it'll take about another 4 to 5 months, 16 to 20 weeks for them to grow nicely. But I'm really pleased with these. They're looking really healthy. And there's no signs of the flies today, but I had like not excessively, but just a couple of flies here and there. I've just taken them away. Just put them away. It's really pleasing. So that's a huge difference to what it was 3 weeks ago. Really enjoying it, but unfortunately the thing is, I've been told it's very hard to grow tomatoes in Scotland, totally due to the weather. So it's either you can grow it in a greenhouse or in a tunnel. My tunnel didn't work out well. I'll need to rewrap it with a strong film so that it stays, because the wind was blowing, the wrapping came out completely. So yeah, that's that's the progress so far, and hope to share more videos with you soon on the progress. Really pleasing sights. I'm really happy, and I put some green onions and some garlic indoors, so hoping to see them coming out as well. The garlic's already growing roots. I just need to wait for the shoots to come out. So that's the update as of 13th April. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, turn on the notifications so that you get the future updates. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys soon.